Are systems of checks and balances. The Founding Fathers wrote the U.S. Constitution. They created 3 branches of government. These 3 branches can check one another's power. This makes sure that no one person and no branch of government can have too much power. The legislative branch. The legislative branch works on creating laws. This branch is made up of Congress. The Senate and House of Representatives make up Congress. Americans vote for senators and representatives. Senate. There are 2 senators for each state. Senators serve for 6 years at a time. The House of Representatives. There are 435 representatives. They are divided among the 50 states. Representatives are based on the number of people in each state. States with more people have more representatives. A representative serves for 2 years at a time. The legislative branch comes up with ideas for laws. They are called bills. They vote on bills, and they send the bill to the president if they pass it. The bill becomes a law if the president signs it. The executive branch. The executive branch carries out and enforces laws. It includes the president, the vice president, and the cabinet. American citizens vote for the president and vice president. The president. The president leads the country. The president serves 4 years at a time. He or she cannot serve for more than 2 times. The president either approves bills or says no to them. Saying no to a bill is called vetoing it. Congress has to vote to overturn a veto. The president can also make deals with other countries. These must be supported by the Senate. The vice president. The vice president helps the president. The vice president becomes president if the president is unable to serve. He or she serves 4 years at a time. The vice president also has power in the Senate. He or she decides a tie. The cabinet. Cabinet members give advice to the president. The cabinet members are in charge of 15 different departments. One is the Department of Education. They are picked by the president. Then they must be approved by the Senate. The password for today is mask. The password for today is mask. The judicial branch. The judicial branch decides what laws mean. It decides how laws can be used. It also decides if laws go against the Constitution. The judicial branch is made up of courts. There are the Supreme Court and other courts. The Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the United States. It is made up of justices. They are picked by the president. Then they must be approved by the Senate. 9 justices serve on the Supreme Court. They usually serve until they die or if they decide to stop working.